Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video. So we have the Galaxy A52, which is the latest from Samsung, and also we have the Xiaomi Mi 10T, which is absolutely amazing device. So we are going to make a comparison between the both of these devices in terms of their specifications and also how these devices are going to be performing. It's kind of a speed test which we are going to perform on both of these devices. So obviously both of these devices are going to be coming with a 64 megapixel of a camera sensor inside. With the Xiaomi is coming with a Snapdragon 855 processor inside, and the Snapdragon 720G processor is going to be coming in the 4G variant of the Galaxy A52. So let's begin by booting up both the devices. So I'm going to turn off both the devices. So guys, both the devices are turned off and we are going to see how these two devices are going to perform. So I'm going to turn on both of these devices. 3, 2, 1. So as the Samsung logo has appeared first and the Xiaomi logo is not behind, and since we know that the Xiaomi Mi 10T is coming with a Snapdragon 865 chipset inside, so it is going to be pretty much fast in terms of boot loading because the A52 is coming with a mid-range processor inside. So here we go, the Xiaomi Mi 10T has boot up first and the Galaxy A52 is still behind. And since we know that the Snapdragon 865 is a processor which is going to be a flagship level, it is going to be even faster. So here we go, the Galaxy A52 has turned on as well and both devices are now boot up. And as you can see, we have the Galaxy A52 which is coming in the AMOLED display, which is looking really great in terms of its display, whereas the Xiaomi Mi 10T is coming with an LCD display inside, which is obviously going to be coming with an LCD display, and their colors are going to be a little bit on the dumb side. So the first thing which we are going to test out is obviously going to be the phone dialer. So here we go. I think that the Xiaomi Mi 10T is a little bit faster in terms of phone dialer, and we have the A52 left behind. Next we have the messaging app, so let's start it up. And I think that the Xiaomi Mi 10T is a little bit faster here, but we check it again and see which is going to be faster. So second time, I think that the Galaxy A52 is a little bit on the faster side than the Mi 10T. Now the next thing which we are going to test out is obviously going to be YouTube. So here we go. It's a little bit on the faster side in the Xiaomi Mi 10T, and the feed is a little bit faster loaded on the Xiaomi Mi 10T device, and obviously it is going to be coming with a processor which is going to be faster, so that is obvious. So let's go and test out some of games which are available in both the devices, and the first game is going to be Subway Surfers. So here we go, both the devices have opened up the Subway Surface and it is going to be faster in terms of loading in the Xiaomi Mi 10T as well, and the A52 is clearly left behind. It's giving us a great idea that why the flagship level processor are going to be better in the Xiaomi Mi 10T than the mid-range category devices. So here we have the PUBG Mobile installed in both the devices, so let's see how they are going to be loaded. 3, 2, 1. So both the devices have been loaded with the PUBG Mobile inside, and I honestly think that the Mi 10T is going to be a little bit faster in terms of loading, just because it is going to be coming with a Snapdragon chipset inside. I'm talking about the Snapdragon chipset again and again, just because the fact that it is going to be a flagship level processor which has been introduced last year. So this is clearly indicating that the Mi 10T is really fast in terms of its pricing. So both the devices are coming with an 8 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage inside. So obviously the Mi 10T is clear winner here. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about both the devices in terms of their speed comparison, and also do consider subscribing for daily tech video. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.